Your best operations person opens Monday morning to 47 dashboards: sales by region, inventory turns, labor variance, foot traffic, conversion, return rates, and somewhere buried in all of it, one store that's about to become a real problem in 6 months. They'll probably find it. But not this week. This week there's too much noise. Cognitive load is the amount of mental effort a decision takes. Psychologists split it 3 ways. Intrinsic load is the difficulty of the problem itself. Some questions are just hard, and there's nothing you can do about that. Extraneous load is everything unnecessary that gets in the way. Bad dashboard design, 15 open tabs, data living in 4 systems that don't talk to each other. Germane load is the useful part, the actual effort of building understanding. Here's what matters. Your brain has a fixed budget. Every unit spent on extraneous load is a unit you don't spend on thinking. Most companies solve dashboard overload by building more dashboards. That's backwards. The fix is screening. Instead of asking your team to scan everything, define what abnormal looks like before anyone opens a report. Then only surface the exceptions. A national retail chain we work with, over 1,000 locations, doesn't ask anyone to review 1,000 stores. Every store gets screened automatically against defined patterns. What reaches a human is the shortlist that actually needs judgment. Dashboards answer what happened. Your team's real job is answering why. That gap between what and why is where all the cognitive load lives. Someone sees revenue down 8% in the Southwest. Now they open 6 more reports, pull a spreadsheet, message 2 people, and spend 90 minutes reconstructing a story. So push the investigation upstream of the human. The question shouldn't arrive as a number. It should arrive as an explanation with the evidence already attached. Every company has someone who just knows. They look at a number and immediately understand what's behind it, because they've seen this exact pattern 11 times before. The usual response is to write it down, build a playbook, run a training session. And it never quite works because judgment isn't a document, it's a set of conditional rules that fire in a specific order. The better move is encoding it. Sit with your best people, learn what they actually check first, second, and third, then turn that into structured logic a system can run. Here's the objection everyone raises. If a system decides what's worth flagging, what happens to the thing nobody thought to define? Fair question. It's exactly why screening alone isn't enough. You need a second layer that catches what falls outside the defined patterns. Anomalies the rules didn't anticipate. That's the difference between automation that narrows your view and automation that widens it. The last mile is the one most companies skip. A hotel management company running over 100 properties doesn't need a portal where owners log in and browse charts. Owners want to know why their property underperformed last quarter and what's being done about it. Same principle everywhere. The output of analysis should be a written explanation with the reasoning attached, not a link to a dashboard where someone else does the work. This is exactly what Scoop built domain intelligence to do. We sit with your best operators and learn what they look for. We encode it into structured investigation logic. Then the system runs it, screening every location, investigating what it finds, catching what falls outside the patterns, synthesizing the findings, rolling them up, and delivering conclusions your leadership can act on. Not more dashboards, less mental overhead, applied at a scale no single person can cover. Your best people aren't limited by intelligence, they're limited by attention. Fix that, and everything else scales. Scoop Analytics, scale your best people's judgment.
Losing hours on data analysis? Scoop investigates for you and provides answers in 45 seconds. Don't know why revenue dropped? Scoop tests multiple hypotheses and finds the root cause in under a minute. Scoop Analytics is your AI data scientist.